Dear students, today we will study about types of chemical equilibrium. So remember that there are two types of chemical equilibrium, or it may be called as dynamic equilibrium. These two types are homogeneous equilibrium and heterogeneous equilibrium. Homogeneous equilibrium is the type of equilibrium in which reactants and products both are present in the same physical states, are the type of equilibrium in which the reactants and products all are present in same phase. For example, the hydrogen and iodine when reacts together to form hydrogen iodide. In this case, hydrogen is also in gaseous state, iodine is also in gaseous state, and hydrogen iodide, which is formed by the reaction of these two, that is also in gaseous state. Now all the reactants and the products, they all are present in gaseous phase or gaseous state. So such type of reaction in which the products and the reactants both are present in same physical state, that will be called as homogeneous equilibrium. Now let's suppose another example, the example of nitrogen and hydrogen. When nitrogen reacts with hydrogen, it forms ammonia. Nitrogen and hydrogen both are in gaseous state, and ammonia formed is also in gaseous state. Similarly, now let's take the example of liquids. Ethyl alcohol, that is C2H5OH, is present in the liquid form. Acetic acid CH3COOH also in the liquid form. When they react together, they form ethyl acetate, that is CH3COOC2H5, that is also in liquid form, and water formed is also in liquid form. So again, all the reactants and all the products, they are present in same physical states. So this type of equilibrium is called as homogeneous equilibrium. Now what is heterogeneous equilibrium? Heterogeneous equilibrium is the type of equilibrium in which the reactants and products, they are in different physical states. Either all the reactants and products, they are in different physical state, either only one of them is in different physical state. So it will lead to heterogeneous equilibrium. Now let's suppose the example of calcium carbonate, which is present in solid form. When it decomposes, it will form calcium oxide, that is in solid form, and carbon dioxide, that is in gaseous form. Now all the reactants and products, they are not in same phase. Two are in solid and one is in gaseous state. So that's why this type of equilibrium will be called as heterogeneous equilibrium. Let's take another example of iron oxide and carbon monoxide, in which iron oxide is present in solid form and carbon monoxide is present in gaseous form. They will form iron. Iron again is in solid form. Here carbon dioxide is formed, that is present in gaseous form. Now there are different phases involved in this reaction, and the reaction is equilibrium reaction. So that's why it is called as heterogeneous equilibrium. Now this type of question is normally asked in paper, that differentiate between homogeneous equilibrium and heterogeneous equilibrium, or it may be asked in the form that what are the types of equilibrium, explain with examples. So you have to write down this type of reaction, that homogeneous and heterogeneous reactions which we have discussed in this lecture. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon in order to get notification about the new videos. Thank you.